The end of the world is within our minds. We have the power to shape our own destiny, discover the secrets that challenge the idea of inevitability, and embark on a mind-bending journey. The human mind is truly fascinating. It not only holds the key to our past, present, and future, but also has the power to shape our destiny and the fate of the world. Consider this. There's a common belief that artificial intelligence might one day surpass human intelligence, leading to what's known as the technological singularity. This is a point where we could lose control. But remember, AI is born from our data, actions, and emotions. It's a reflection of us. If AI becomes a threat, isn't it essentially our own creation, our own doing? Another concern is the threat of nuclear weapons. While they can cause catastrophic consequences, it's crucial to acknowledge our control over their use and impact. We have the power to prevent their destruction and create a safer world. It's important to note that the impending doom of our world is not solely due to nuclear weapons, but is a result of our choices and actions. Throughout history, different cultures and religions have made predictions about the end of the world. Some theories suggest a catastrophic event, while others propose a gradual occurrence. But here's an interesting perspective. What if the end of the world is not an external event, but an internal one? It's not an apocalyptic scenario, but a transformational shift in consciousness. Our minds have incredible potential to shape our reality. By collectively shifting our thoughts and beliefs, we possess the power to reshape the course of history. This is not a mere theory, but an established phenomenon known as the 100th monkey effect. It exemplifies the rapid dissemination of new behaviors or beliefs among a population, spurred by the adoption of these ideas by a critical mass of individuals. Many people wonder why individuals resist unlearning and hold on to outdated beliefs. The answer lies in our primal instinct for survival. Our brains are wired to seek comfort and familiarity, even if it means clinging to harmful patterns or limiting beliefs. It takes courage to question our long-held beliefs and confront uncomfortable truths. But it's through unlearning that we can truly grow and evolve as individuals and as a society. On the journey of self-improvement and enlightenment, it's important to not just acquire new knowledge and skills, but also to unlearn what we thought we knew. Our minds are influenced by biases that can cloud our judgment, hinder growth, and limit our understanding of reality. By unlearning, we let go of misconceptions and embrace fresh perspectives that offer profound insights. It's an exercise in humility, self-awareness, and openness that helps us gain a better understanding of ourselves and the world. However, let's consider this important question. Could our belief in an apocalyptic end actually make it more likely to happen? Is our collective anxiety and focus bringing us closer to our worst fears? Understanding this psychological phenomenon is the first step towards changing the narrative. The possible end of the world as we know it could actually come from within, a significant shift in our collective consciousness. Let's strive for a transformation that leads us towards enlightenment, understanding, and a more compassionate world for everyone.